Neil, if you play in the way that you did against New Zealand and still come away with the win and go through to the semi-final, it shows you that this is a good team.
Yeah, definitely a good team. I think happy with the result, not so happy with the process, especially in the second half. I think really controlled the game nicely in the first half. I had two opportunities towards the end of the first half that we didn't take when they had a yellow card and we had a penalty, and then that line out that was a forward pass to Roscoe. And that's the opportunities that you need to take when you get into knockout stages and play against a quality opposition like New Zealand. But I think overall happy with the performance from the guys this far. A little bit more composure in the second half, a little bit more control that we would have liked in the second half. But yeah, happy with the results.
It was also important, perhaps from a mental point of view, to beat them after losing twice to them in Wellington.
Yeah, it's always great to put one over in New Zealand, and yeah, we lost against them in those two games in New Zealand, and it was great to win them here in Vegas. But again, I think we could have put them away with a bit more points if we used the opportunities in the first half.
Australia in the semi-final tomorrow, and going back to Sydney, we know that they're going to play a massively tactical and clever game, and Quade Cooper is coming into the fore a little bit more.
Yeah, I think they're a tough opponent to play against. I think they're very structured, and they will stay in their structures, and it's tough to beat a team like that because, but it also makes them predictable. But I think tactically they probably will bring something to the game, and again it's an opportunity for us to show what the players that's here in Vegas is capable of, and that they're capable of playing in the Olympics in August.
Gelukkig met die feit dat julle deur is na die halfeindstryd toe, ondanks die feit dat dit miskien nie so goed gegaan het of so klinies was in die kwartfinale teen Nieu-Seeland soos wat jy graag wou gehad het nie.
Ja, yes, ek dink altyd gelukkig om 'n wen oor Nieu-Seeland te kry, maar nie heeltemal gelukkig met die prosesse en hoe ons die wedstryd beheer het, en veral nie in die tweede helfte nie. Ek dink ons is baie klinies geweest en goed die wedstryd beheer in die eerste helfte. Daar 2 geleenthede daar aan die einde van die eerste helfte wat ons moes gebruik het, en as ou hier op die uitklop rondes kom en teen 'n opponent soos Nieu-Seeland speel, jy weet, dan moet jy jou geleenthede gebruik, anders kan jy in die moeilikheid wees. So ja, gelukkig met die uitslag, maar nie so gelukkig met ons prosesse, veral in die tweede helfte nie.
Na die 2 nederlae teen Nieu-Seeland en Wellington, was dit miskien belangrik van 'n sielkundige oogpunt ook om een op hulle te kry.
Ja, kyk, is altyd goed om 'n wen oor Nieu-Seeland af te trek, en ek dink as ons geleenthede gebruik in die eerste helfte en meer klinies was in die tweede helfte, kon ons dalk meer punte op hulle gesit het. Maar soos ek sê, weet, Nieu-Seeland gaan nie nooit net sommer net te wen kry nie. Hulle gaan altyd hard beklei om met 'n goeie wedstryd te maak, en ja, gelukkig dat ons hierdie keer kon wegstap met die wen.
Australië in die halfeindstryd môre, ons weet hulle gaan takties wees en hulle gaan probeer slim speel soos wat hulle in Sydney teen ons gedoen het.
Ja, ek dink die eerste helfte in Sydney het hulle ons so 'n bietjie amper uitoorleef, wil ek sê. Slim gespeel teen ons, en hulle is 'n span met baie struktuur in hulle spel het, jy weet. So ons sal mooi na hulle gaan kyk, hoe hulle gespeel het hierdie afgelope 3 wedstryde in die toernooi, 4 wedstryde. En dan sal ons met 'n plan kom om teen hulle te speel, en hopelik sal die spelers opwees vir daai en hopelik kan ons na die finaal toe gaan.